Picture your home as the standout gem in the neighborhood, with a yard that captivates both guests and passersby. With these innovative DIY landscaping ideas, you can turn your property into an outdoor haven that reflects your style. From enhancing curb appeal to creating a tranquil retreat, these landscaping solutions cater to every budget, yard size, and skill level. Get ready to evoke envy from your neighbors as you embark on a journey to redefine your outdoor space. Curb appeal that wows. Envision a front yard adorned with hydrangeas cascading around your home, creating a picturesque frame. Incorporate evergreen plants strategically to act as a natural fence, offering both beauty and privacy. Opt for sustainable native plants and ornamental grasses to craft a low-maintenance lawn that radiates elegance. Outdoor living oasis. Imagine your yard as the ultimate gathering spot for friends, where a cozy fire pit becomes the focal point for late-night conversations. Create a serene seating area beneath a pergola, offering shade during the day and a magical atmosphere in the evening. These features can transform your outdoor space into an extension of your home. Backyard bliss. For backyard landscaping, explore the charm of raised beds that not only add visual interest, but also provide a practical solution for gardening. Consider patio covers to define your outdoor living space and protect it from the elements. An outdoor fireplace can add warmth and sophistication, turning your patch of land into prized property. Dreamy small spaces. Even if your yard is limited in size, you can still make it dreamy. Introduce garden beds to infuse color and life, and opt for low-maintenance hardscaping to maximize functionality without sacrificing style. Privacy fencing ensures that your small haven feels secluded, while a carefully placed hammock offers the perfect spot for relaxation. Gazebo glamour. If you have ample space, consider the allure of a gazebo or swimming pool. Frame your outdoor sanctuary with carefully curated garden beds, embracing a mix of flora that adds vibrancy. Privacy fencing ensures that your oasis remains a secluded retreat, while a hammock becomes the epitome of leisure. With these DIY landscaping ideas, your outdoor space can transcend the ordinary and become a timeless masterpiece. From charming front yards to enchanting backyard retreats, these ideas cater to every taste and budget. Get ready to witness your home's transformation into a haven for outdoor living, leaving your neighbors green with envy. Embrace the potential of your outdoor space and let your creativity flourish as you embark on this landscaping journey. Your front yard is the canvas upon which you paint the first impression of your home, and creating an inviting landscape goes beyond a well-maintained lawn. It's an opportunity to showcase your style and personality, leaving a lasting mark on visitors and neighbors alike. In this article, we explore front yard landscaping ideas that go beyond the ordinary, aiming to maximize curb appeal and transform your outdoor space into a welcoming haven. Define your landscape design vibe. Before you dig into the soil, envision the vibe you want for your front yard. Are you drawn to the idea of minimal maintenance with a touch of environmental consciousness? Consider a drought-tolerant xeriscape adorned with succulents and low-maintenance native plants. Alternatively, indulge in the vibrancy of flower beds teeming with a mix of annuals and perennials. Embrace your wild side with evergreens and ornamental grasses, creating a landscape that reflects your personality. Play with visual impact. For a striking visual impact, consider grouping plants together in patches, creating a monochromatic look that captures attention. Those yearning for an English garden vibe can draw inspiration from tapestry lawns, weaving a diverse array of flora into a harmonious composition. Remember, your front yard is your outdoor canvas. Have fun, take chances, and let your creativity shine. Focal points and visual interest. Once you've established your landscaping concept, introduce focal points to enhance visual interest. A carefully placed fire pit can become a gathering spot and a visual focal point. Incorporate stones, pavers, water features, and accent lighting to add texture and depth, elevating your front yard to new heights of aesthetic appeal. Guide guests to your entryway. Extend your landscaping prowess to the entryway. ensuring a seamless transition from the sidewalk to your porch. Beautifully landscaped pathways should guide guests to your front door, where potted plants bestow a warm welcome. Consider adding a seating area, whether it's a charming swinging bench or a pair of Adirondack chairs, creating an inviting space to gather with friends and family. Your backyard has the potential to be more than just an outdoor space. It can be an extension of your home's living area, a personal oasis for relaxation, entertainment, and self-expression. With the right blend of thoughtful hardscape and landscape design, your backyard can transform into a haven tailored to your desires. In this article, we explore unique and practical backyard landscaping ideas that cater to various needs, ensuring your outdoor space is a true reflection of your lifestyle. Consider the natural elements. Begin by understanding the natural elements at play in your backyard. Sun exposure and shade influence everything from plant selection to the positioning of key features. By working with these elements, you can create a harmonious outdoor environment that complements the natural beauty around you. Design with purpose. Determine how you want to use your backyard. Whether you're dreaming of a poolside paradise, an outdoor kitchen haven, or a tranquil birdwatching retreat, define the purpose of your space. Consider the placement of larger items like a concrete patio, fire pits, water features, pergolas, and expansive seating areas to optimize functionality and flow. Enchanting greenery. Elevate your backyard with lush greenery and vibrant flora. Introduce a trellis adorned with flowering vines like jasmine or bougainvillea, adding a touch of romance as it draws the eye upward. Experiment with layering plants and flowers to create clean sightlines and visual interest. Ground cover options offer an easy landscaping solution for those with less experience in gardening. Small projects, big impact. Not every backyard upgrade needs to be a major undertaking. Explore smaller projects, such as the addition of a vegetable or herb garden, or flower beds that not only enhance the visual appeal, but also offer a fruitful harvest. Hang bistro lights over an existing covered patio to infuse ambience, and easily change the aesthetic by swapping planters or rearranging greenery. Evolution of ideas. Remember, your backyard is a canvas that can evolve over time. Tackle landscaping projects one section at a time, introducing changes as your needs and preferences shift. Whether it's adding cottagecore charm or embracing a new theme, the adaptability of your backyard ensures it remains a dynamic and ever-refreshing space. With these unique backyard landscaping ideas, you have the power to create a personal oasis that perfectly aligns with your lifestyle. From enchanting greenery to purposeful design, your backyard can be a versatile space that evolves with your changing needs. Embrace the opportunity to transform your outdoor haven into a place of relaxation, entertainment, and self-expression. Your own personalized retreat just steps away from home. In the realm of landscaping, the mantra, "Work smarter, not harder," is a guiding principle that can transform your outdoor space into a beautiful haven without the need for constant upkeep. While some find solace in spending hours tending to their lawns, not everyone shares this passion. Fear not. Achieving a stunning and eye-catching property is entirely possible without dedicating endless hours to your yard. Let's explore the art of low-maintenance landscaping and how it can result in an effortlessly beautiful outdoor space. Less grass, more appeal. The simplest path to a low-maintenance yard involves minimizing the amount of grass. Traditional lawns demand significant time and resources for seeding, watering, mowing, and weeding. Consider incorporating larger driveways, additional walkways, or gravel areas to reduce the expanse of grass that requires attention. This not only eases the burden of maintenance, but also adds a touch of sophistication to your landscape. Native plants and perennials. Contrary to the misconception that low maintenance means sacrificing greenery, selecting native plants, trees, and shrubs can actually reduce water consumption and upkeep. Perennials, with their ability to return year after year, offer vibrant colors and fragrances without the constant replanting required by annuals. Annual mulching is another smart hack to deter weeds and minimize labor. Ornamental grasses for visual interest. Ornamental grasses stand out as an easy-to-care-for option that adds visual interest to your landscape. From delicate tufts to tall reeds swaying in the wind, these grasses provide a natural ASMR experience. Varieties like miscanthus, mullenbergia, pink mully, and pampas grass demand minimal maintenance while making a bold statement in your outdoor space. Xeriscape for water-wise solutions. In drought-prone regions like California or the Southwest, xeriscaping offers a water-wise alternative. Slow-growing plants that require minimal water and long-term maintenance become the heroes of this landscape. Succulents and cacti, known for their resilience, become the best friends of your yard, providing both aesthetic appeal and practicality.